afternoon, everybody. Stuart here from Hot Forex. So an update from our trade this morning, and also obviously everybody's waiting for the FOMC statement later on today. So the short trade we took on the 1 hour chart here on the pound Aussie dollar here, the entry was here on this big spike up here at 165 being rejected. So we entered just after that, just around here this morning. Target was on the based on the 4 hour chart, was at the 14 period 80 hour, which took us down to 164.50, which it spiked down to early. You can't actually see that on here, but you can see the data's there. We did actually breach that 165 area and took out 50 pips on that one. So I was looking this morning possibly to go long on the daily chart on this one, but more tomorrow on that one, on the pound Aussie, but we'll see how that goes. So a successful short on the 4 hour actually helps my thought process for the daily, but we'll see if that happens tonight on the close. Obviously all eyes this afternoon are on the FOMC later on, but before that we've got new home sales out of the States and importantly the oil inventories. Remember, there's a big drawdown yesterday in private oil inventory, so we're expecting the same possibly with the official figures, but sometimes there can be some disparity between the two. So just because one was a big drawdown does not necessarily mean that the following will be. Oil stalled at 48.50 today, going sideways, which you would sort of expect, having had such a big rally up from sub $46 earlier in the week. And the FOMC statements at 6 o'clock GMT, no change expected, but it's still very important, so one to watch out for. So earlier, Andrea posted up on the website a short trade here on the 1 hour Aussie US dollar here. So she's got in here on 79.10. Looking for 79.05 on this, again, rejection of this big wick up here and a break down below the 20 period moving average. So we'll see if that comes in before the US data comes out. Or indeed, the US data helps this particular trade as well. Okay, more tomorrow. Have a great trading day and we'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.